Hello, dear traders and investors. The analytical community is with you. System.GURU.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, you can stop the video. You can consider each parameter of the company in question in more detail. We will analyze the company's key indicators with you. Genesis Energy L.P, ticker GEL. This review is based on data as of June 24, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets organization Genesis Energy L.P belongs to the subcategory Energy Logist. 41 companies are participating in the assessment. See the final solutions at the end of this video. Overall score for the company, minus 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.8 points. If you look broadly, within the stock market as a whole, it can be noted that the average score for the US stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 6.5 points Genesis Energy L.P. By comparing the movement of the company's stock price Genesis Energy L.P and subcategory shares, we see that over the last 12 months, the shares Genesis Energy L.P showed a dynamics of 27.2%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 20.2%. Market capitalization of the company Genesis Energy L.P amounts to $2.04 billion, with a capitalization of the subcategory of $523 billion. The company's book value is negative $0.23 billion, and the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $191 billion. Comparing the shares of stock exchange and book value, we see the following. Share Genesis Energy L.P in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 0.39%. The book value is minus 0.122%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The organization under study has debt obligations of negative $2.545 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 1,094% of capital. The result of the company's financial obligations, very bad, minus 2 points. The company's price-to-earnings ratio is 0. Average for the subcategory is 15.5. Evaluation of stock exchange price-to-profit ratios in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $206 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are provisionally estimated at $185 million. Assessment of indicators of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 0.8. Average for the subcategory is 1.3. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $2.6 billion. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future revenue in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is minus 8%, with an average of 8.6% for the subcategory. Evaluation of sales profitability in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 2.29%, which is 487% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is $984,000. while for the subcategory it is $5,772,000. Assessment of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The profit volume per individual employee of the company is minus $99.4 thousand, with an average in the subcategory of $372.6 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $1,250,000. Subcategory, $4,358,000. Evaluation of sales volume per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, Passable, minus 0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 4.8%, compared to the subcategory average of 2.1%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 63% for the company Genesis Energy L.P. For the subcategory, the RSI level, 14, is approximately 47%. The company's actual share price is approximately $16.67. The consensus price target for the company's shares is around $16.32. Let's look at the order table. It is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the Stock Evaluation Information System, Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in the pinned comment. Based on the results of the Securities Analysis Genesis Energy L.P. Information System for Stock Evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open the trade for sale at a price of $16.68 per share. The deal was opened due to the fact that the company has a relatively low rating. The organization was assessed using the Akeem's Index Assessment Method. Take profit is set at 12.74. Stop loss is set at 20.62. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically based on the results of exchange trading on July 24, 2025, or on the last working day before the specified date. Ticker, IMPP, will be the main buy order. The video for the main order has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, basic or balancing, the second order is closed at the last price. Thank you very much, audience, for watching this video and for using the help system Guru Markets.